Was I settling abroad? The zeal, the passion in me as an entrepreneur, I believe in settling in Nigeria, work with Nigerians, achieve whatever I want to achieve. All my life, I've never had a time that I say I have like 1 week holiday. I see myself working every day. Any day that I see myself idle, I know the body is not feeling fine. We breed pigs and also run production of livestock feed. And I'm happy that today here has produced a lot of farmers, and people have heard about us from nook and cranny of the state and neighboring states. This is the biggest pig farm in Plateau State.